Your voice, your station.
So, you want to hear school students talk about their travel experiences, learnings, escapades, episodes, knowledge, incidents from all the corners of the globe? Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world. Brought to you by Ed Terra Adventures.
Welcome to the episode of Lessons in the Mist, a student journey through Saputara, where we embark on an educational trip through the only hill station, Saputara. I am Ishan from Trinity International School with my friends Atharva, Anshu, and Ishita. We will take you to our travel story. It is a learning experience filled with discovery, curiosity, and wisdom in the nature.
Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world.
Anshu, I heard that Saputara's Governors Hill is famous for its sunrise and sunset. Did you guys get a chance to go over there? If yes, then how was your experience?
It was a wonderful experience with my friends. It is famous because of a beautiful sunset could be seen from the hill. It is a great place for visitors where the photos were amazing. That would be the best memory. The delightful and green mountains and deep lakes help to remember the little moments. The shades of purple, blue, orange and pink were astonishing, along with the yellow, red and bright sun setting in the horizon.
Ishita, why was the experience of the Saputara lake so good?
Saputara, known as Board of Serpents, welcomed us not with noise but with silence that invites reflection. The Saputara Lake experiences was so delightful. The lake was so clear that the fish can see clearly. It is so peaceful, which helped to have great memories. It is surrounded by beautiful hills and beautiful sceneries and filled by greenery. It is a beautiful experience over there, and it is also good for tourists. It is one of the Saputara gems. The depth of the lake is 70 feet. Also, it is a very good experience for boating.
So, Atharva, can you tell me more about the tribes of Saputara and their living?
The main tribe in Saputara is Dangi. They speak a dialect which is a mixture of Gujarati, Marathi, and Hindi. They take part in a lot of economic activities like bamboo weaving and varli art painting. They usually migrate to urban lands for better livelihood. Men of these areas usually wear dhotis, short pants, shirts, and turbans, while women wear chaniya skirts, saris, stone ornaments, etc. etc. These tribes' creations are displayed in the Tribal Museum of Saputara.
By the way, my favorite flowers are roses. With that, I remember that we also visited Rose Garden. So, Anshu, can you tell me more about it?
It was an amazing experience in the rose garden, and it has different varieties of roses. Really a wonderful, peaceful place and very nice as it is very beautiful decorated with pink, red and yellow roses of different sizes and shape. It is a very open and comfortable place to enjoy with your friends. We even played board games and card games like Uno. This rose garden is one of the well-maintained gardens in the area. I think this place should be visited by nature lovers. They would really love this place and this scenery with the sweet scent of roses.
Ishita, can you give me a small narration of the Table and Point?
We started from a small vehicle from our hotel to Table Point. The roads were very narrow and steep. Once we reached there, we were welcomed with greenery and amazing views of mountain. There were some activities like horse riding, camel riding, bike ride and 360 ride. Some of our friends enjoyed the activities. We saw panoramic views of Saputara Lake from above. It is worthwhile stop for quick activities and scenic views.
So, Atharva, what did you see in the artistic village?
There were many handcrafted artifacts, and some of us all bought artifacts which we liked. This was the establishment by Surya Goswami and Chandrakant Parmar. Depicts the cultural diversity of Saputara. You can also create your own artifacts via the class they provide. There is even a window decorated with the tribal art of Varli, Overall, it is a very good experience in my point of view.
Thank you guys for the insight of the trip. Thank you for joining in today. Stay tuned for new podcasts on @terra.com or Terra Talk. We Trinitians will meet you next time. And do visit Saputara during vacation with your friends and family.
Like what you're listening? Stay tuned for a new podcast on classroomworld.com.
Terra Talk,
The #1 station.